Welcome to our YouTube channel, where we mix fun, science, and deliciousness. Today, we're uncovering the secret lives of your mitochondria and how to make them happier with 10 fantastic foods. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and bell icon, to always have a seat at our table. Ready? Let's dive in. Remember that school biology lesson about the powerhouse of the cell? Yes, those were your mitochondria. These little dynamos power up our cells and keep us full of vim and vigor. So, let's spoil them with 10 mitochondrial munchies. 1. Avocados. Kicking off with the creamy goodness of avocados. These trendy fruits are like spa treatments for your mitochondria, moisturizing their membranes with healthy fats. And their antioxidants are like cellular bodyguards, fending off rogue molecules. Oh, and guacamole? Avoca do it! 2. Spinach. Next, we invite Popeye's secret to the party: spinach. High in iron, it's like fuel for your body's delivery trucks, carrying oxygen straight to your mitochondria. And let's not forget its B vitamins, our little cell's construction crew for energy. Go green, get mighty. 3. Blueberries. Third, we're going for blueberries, tiny blue bombs of health. They are packed with anthocyanins, which are like tiny maintenance workers, taking care of your mitochondria and preventing oxidative stress. Plus, they're great at boosting memory. Now, that's some serious blueberry brain power. 4. Salmon. Now, onto the swimming delight, salmon. Packed with omega-3 fatty acids, these aquatic wonders are like little peacekeepers, reducing inflammation and helping your mitochondria feel at home. Choose wild caught to keep it clean and healthy. 5. Nuts. Are you nuts about health? Nuts, particularly almonds and walnuts, are like mini gyms for your mitochondria, exercising them with antioxidants and healthy fats. They're the perfect, portable fuel for your powerhouse. 6. Quinoa. Next up, quinoa, a gluten-free globetrotter from South America. It's a complete protein, providing all essential amino acids, like a tiny repair team for your cells and mitochondria. Plus, it's a fantastic fiber source, keeping everything moving smoothly. 7. Extra virgin olive oil. The Mediterranean miracle, extra virgin olive oil, is next. Its oleic acid acts like a nurturing nanny, caring for your mitochondria and cellular health. Plus, it adds a dash of sunshine to every dish. 8. Green tea. Green tea. Anyone? This soothing sip is rich in catechins, antioxidants that protect your mitochondria like a loyal samurai. Bonus, it boosts metabolism too. Time to get steeped in health. 9. Dark chocolate. Calling all chocoholics. Dark chocolate isn't just a guilty pleasure. Its flavonoids and magnesium are like a power duo, singing a sweet serenade to your mitochondria and mood. The darker the better, folks. 10. Broccoli. Last but not least, we have broccoli. This green giant is full of coenzyme Q10 and alpha-lipoic acid, a dynamic duo keeping your mitochondria young and active. Your mom was right, eat those greens. And that's a wrap, folks. Our 10 mitochondrial munchies to energize your life. Let's treat our cells like the VIPs they are. Comment below which of these foods you'll be trying next. If you enjoyed the video, smash that like button, share the love with your friends and subscribe for more fun-filled, science-backed food facts. Thanks for joining us on the Energy Food Channel. Keep your plates colorful and your health vibrant. Till next time, Energy Foodies.